Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials, your device model and exact Android version so the right steps apply. Once done, back up critical app data and contacts. You don't want surprises. Make sure the battery is above 50% and you're on a stable Wi-Fi, and temporarily disable any VPN or proxy that could block Google services. Now enable developer options. Tap build number repeatedly, and keep OEM unlock available if system repairs require deeper access. You now diagnose the problem. Open Settings right arrow apps right arrow Google Play Services and clear cache and storage to reset state. Do the same for Play Store because cached bad data often causes deactivation. Next, inspect permissions. Ensure location, phone, and storage are allowed so services can run properly. If issues persist, download the correct Play Services APK matching your ABI and version, or reboot into safe mode to determine whether a third-party app is interfering. Finish by rebooting the device to apply changes and then sign back into your Google account so tokens refresh. Once signed in, open Play Store and let updates finish. Run Play Protect to scan for offending apps. If Google Play Services still appears deactivated, remove recent apps installed before the issue or perform a factory reset after a full backup. Troubleshooting tip: if a reset is undesirable, create a secondary user profile and test Play Services there to isolate account versus system faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.